Dropshipping allows you to list products online that wholesalers have in stock and are ready to ship after you make a sale. You'll list a product for sale on eBay that you found on a wholesaler's inventory list. Once you make a sale, you'll get paid for a product that you don't have in your possession. The wholesaler has it and is ready to ship once you pay them and send them the customer shipping address. You pay the wholesaler with your customer's money, and the wholesaler ships the product directly to your customer. The biggest advantage of the dropshipping model is that you never need to carry an inventory or handle the product. The wholesaler has the financial risk of carrying and managing the inventory. This also means you never need to spend time packaging or shipping customers' orders. Disadvantages of the dropshipping source model is that a large part of your customer's experience is out of your control. If your dropshipper is too slow to ship a product or doesn't keep a sufficient inventory in stock, this can reflect negatively on your service. So it's a good idea to have multiple dropshippers for the same product. This way, if one dropshipper runs out of stock, you can go to the other dropshipper and deliver the item on time to avoid the possibility of getting a negative feedback on eBay. You should always be looking for better, less expensive sources for your products. A legitimate wholesaler will not do business with you unless you can prove you're a legitimate retail business. If you're in the US, this means having a tax ID from the IRS and a business license from your resident state. If you're an international student, please type into Google starting a business in your country. This will most likely bring you to a government website, so please follow the directions in order to start your business. Finally, a legitimate wholesaler will not show you wholesale prices until you set up an account with them first. All wholesale accounts are free, so there's never any risk in setting up a wholesale account.